Hello everybody. Well, it's Monday and we're going to do a junk store teardown. I picked this little gem up at the junk store and we're going to do a teardown of it. Let's see what's inside of it. Cottie's my helper today. Well, she thinks she's helping, but let's get with the program here. This does work. I have it on weather.
Level 500 feet. Highs in the lower 40s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain and snow.
Yeah, it's supposed to snow.
Snow 70%. Tuesday night, snow showers likely. Lows in the mid-20s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Wednesday, snow showers. A slight chance of rain.
So the snow is falling. I ain't got my new bench done yet. So we're going to come in a little closer and we're going to take this old thing apart. I think this is like 2002, 2003 vintage. I don't remember. These were made by Uniden for Radio Shack. So I'm going to pause this and be right back with you. Okay, tripod repositioned, and let's give Cottie some cookies. She's been patiently waiting for cookies. She's almost out of cookies, guys. We gotta do something about that. You guys gotta like and subscribe. So we're gonna take this apart as far as I want to. So, okay, it's kind of hollow. So let's pull this screw off here. Yeah, I had to pick up George and he got me. But I was at the doctor and I had to explain my scar on my wrist here. I don't know why doctors always think the worst, but that is a surgical scar. I have a screw in my wrist. When I was young, very young, around 13, I got into a motorcycle accident. I picked up this little 90cc Kawasaki dirt bike and I spent all my lawn mowing money getting it going. And stupid me, I skimped and didn't buy a new chain, and I just reused another chain that I had and pieced the two together with a couple master links. I was young and didn't have any money at the time, and that was my mistake. I jumped on it, no helmet, went booking down the street. Next thing you know, chain fell off, wrapped around the front wheel, and I went through a fence. Okay, what's inside this thing? That's the inside cover. Not much. No. Let's see. We'll take this all apart. Little display. Looks like those shielding cans might be screwed in shielding cans might be screwed in from the other side. So we're gonna take the board out. What do we got here? JRC, that like an op amp. Come on. Yeah, let's take this board out. We got nothing better to do. It's like 3 a.m. So I still ride motorcycles. I know people are gonna ask. So yes, I do. I still ride motorcycles. I'll be probably doing the clutch on the Virago here in a video, because there's really horrible videos on how to do it on YouTube, so I figure why not make one. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of change up of the channel here, of my other passion, which is aviation. So this is 1997, yeah, 1997 Uniden. That's how old this is. So, I mean, look at the shielding cans that are threaded on pretty good. Got one more. Yeah, there's nothing to these scanners, man. So, all right. Oh, we got a blob. That epoxy blob. Epoxy blob. We got. Oh, you see that number there? I can tell is that it's kind of little conformal coating on it, so. I can't tell if that's ground off or not. Let me check it on the microscope here. I need to get the microscope hooked up. That is an MC3361 Charlie Delta. So can't see it barely see it in the microscope too. But I just read that chip number off right there. So let's pull off the screws, check out what's underneath the shielding cans. I think that screwdriver will do it. Yeah, it's got a lot of screws. And that one's going to be epoxy blobbed, so we're not taking that one off. So, and that one's probably going to be epoxy blobbed. So you got two screws with epoxy blobs. That is very anti-repair, man. I'm not gonna grind off that epoxy. That would just, nah. Then this one here, it's gonna have epoxy blob over that screw there too. Screw in there. Gonna have epoxy blob. So I'm not gonna be grinding on epoxy tonight. So, but yeah, so you can tell how anti-repair these were. They're actually, they secured them up like that, I think due to FCC rules, if I recall. So people couldn't unlock the cellular bands and whatever. But yeah, there's nothing much to these. It'd be nice to see what's under the IF cans, but it's a working device. I'm not gonna go through and hack it up by screwing around with the epoxy. Probably a little bit of heat and it'd peel off. Maybe, probably not though. But we tried, right? So if you guys see airplane videos, I'll get more in detail on it on another video. I just don't feel comfortable right now. I will, oh, well, we got this to take apart. So yeah, so if you guys start seeing airplane videos, that's gonna be a good thing. But I will get more into that on another video. I don't know if I want to do it or not. And this is probably going to be like a phenolic board. It looks brown. And it's going to probably just be, yeah, carbon. Printed carbon. Nothing exciting. You got the potentiometers. Looks like a double with this because it's got a switch and a single. And headphone jack. So let's give Cotty some cookies. She's been patiently waiting, kind of patiently. That was a quick teardown of a Uniden or Radio Shack. What do they call that? A Pro 2050. So we will catch y'all later.